I think screen is visible. All of you. Hello.
No, sir. I started. Yes, sir. Now visible.
Screen is visible for all of you. Just wait.
Yes, sir.
Just
Visible,
wait.
sir.
Visible.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, all of you. Today, actually, we have a lab section is there in the afternoon. Due to some work, I will take the class in the morning section. Okay. Please adjust today. Okay. Due to some works, I come to the front. Okay. And now, in this section, in the last lab, how many weeks programs we completed in the last laboratory section? 2 or 3?
3, sir.
3 weeks programs are completed. Now we can see the some more terminals. Again, we will wait for the another 3 terminals. Please see once here. I will open the manual. Please see. Yeah, see here. Either this one is completed, create a tuple using the perform the following methods: add items, lengths, check the item in the tuple, access the item, count, as well as the resulting object. I think third also is completed. We need to start from fourth. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, please see the first question. What is this one? So the first question, what they given for you?
Create a dictionary
Create a dictionary
and apply the following methods.
and apply the following methods. So just I will copy this question. I already pasted the question here in the word. See here. Create a dictionary. Sorry, just a second. See here. Create a dictionary and apply the following methods. The first method is you need to going to print out the all the elements which are there in your dictionary. And the second one, we need to going to be access the elements. Then we need to going to be use the get method for getting the particular values in the terminal. Then change the values of the particular keys as well as the values, and then use the length method. Length method enduku vaadtaru babu ogoru chuddam. What is the use of length method?
To find the length of the
length. Good. For example, I have a dictionary. ఒక dictionary ఉందనుకో. I have 4 keys. Dictionary లో ఎలా ఉంటాయి? Can you say how the values will be there in the dictionary? Anyone? Dictionary లో values
Yes.
Key and value will be there. Key and value will be there. Key and value will be there in the dictionary. What is your first question? First question. ఏ చూడండి.
print the dictionary items.
Now please see here. You can say I will write the program. You can say the answer for this one. For example, I'm going to be considering some dictionary here. A is equal to, what is the symbol used for dictionary?
Flower bracket.
Flower bracket. Flower bracket. Now see here, I'm going to be considering the 1 is a key. 1 is a key. For this key, I'm going to be write some name here. For example, what is the name for roll number 1? Roll number 1 name is Babu?
Nitin, sir.
Nitin. I can write here. Nitin. That means first one is completed. Now, roll number 2. Who is your roll number 2?
Venkatesh.
No, Venkatesh. I will write here.
Sir, Venkatesh.
Venkatesh. Now, same thing. Roll number 3. Who is the, what is the name of roll number 3?
Ramakrishna.
We will write RK shortcut. It's RK. Okay. Simply write now here RK. As usual, roll number 10. What is the roll number 10 name?
Sujit, sir.
Sujit. Okay. Roll number randomly I'm taking. Don't think here. Sir, na name this randomly I'm picking here. 23. What is the name? Srinivas. Roll number 40.
Alok, sir.
Alok. Yeah. These are the names which I'm going to be considered here. This is one dictionary lo unnayi. Key values ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి? First tell me what are the keys are there here? Keys ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి?
1, 2, 3, 10, 23, 40.
వాల్యూస్ ఏమున్నాయి?
Names, sir.
Names are there. Now see, this is my dictionary which I considered here. Now see here, ఏం చెప్పాడు చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయమన్నాడు? వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్?
Print the dictionary.
ఐటమ్స్. డిక్షనరీని ప్రింట్ చేయాలా? టోటల్ ప్రింట్ చేయాలా? ఎలా ప్రింట్ చేస్తాం ఇది?
Print of A, sir.
Print of A. That's all. First question is completed. Now second question. See the second question. Access the items. Access the items. I need to going to be print. I need to going to be print Venkatesh. Venkatesh print చేయాలి. Then how can I print this one? I need to going to be print Venkatesh. Tell me, Venkatesh print చేయాలి బాబు. How can I print this one?
Print of A of 2.
Which brackets? Which brackets? Rounded brackets or square brackets or curly brackets? A of 2 means
Square brackets, sir.
A of 2. Good. Now second condition is completed. Now see here. What is our third condition? I need to going to be get. Use the get method. Get method use chesi. We need to going to be print the output. For example, I need to going to be print Srinivas. Srinivas and print cheyalantu. Same thing, instead of this method, see here, instead of this method, we can use the get option also. Now see here, print A dot get off. Whatever we required, we can get it here. Get off. ఏది కావాలి మనకు? What is the thing we required? We required Srinivas కావాలి కాబట్టి, what is the key value for Srinivas?
23, sir.
Right here, 23. Now see here. And then what is the next one? Change values. I need to going to be change the value of roll number 1. Roll number 1 ni Nitin place lo I am going to write the another name. ఇంకొక name రాయాలా? Then how can I write here? Nitin place లో ఇంకొక పేరు యాడ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను. రిప్లేస్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను. A1 is equal to, I'll write some name here. Sai. Now print of A. Now what is the last one? Use length method in order to find out the length of dictionary. ఎలా find out చేస్తాం బాబు? Length. Print len of
Lena.
Now please see once here. చూడండి, I will run it. చూడండి, first thing I print out the entire dictionary. మొత్తం డిక్షనరీని ప్రింట్ చేసుకున్నాను. సెకండ్ వన్, I'm going to be access the elements. నాకు ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ కావాలో ఆ ఎలిమెంట్ యాక్సెస్ చేస్తున్నాను. జస్ట్ I will give the key value. Then I will figure the what is the output will be there. Then same instead of getting the index value, I can access the with get method also like this. Now I'm going to be replace the name with respect to update the name. Name update చేస్తున్నాను. నితిన్ ప్లేస్ నేమ్ చేస్తున్నాను. సైన్ అప్డేట్ చేస్తాను. Now print that one. Then I need to going to be print out the entire length here. Okay. In this way, we are going to be do this one. This is for first problem. Please. Any doubt within this one? Any doubt within this one?
No, sir.
Just a few minutes, okay? We'll copy this one. Your length is not suitable. I will remove one name. You can choose it. This is our program. So, I'll write the output also for this one. This is the output for your program. This is for the first one. Now see the next program. See the next program. What are they given for you? Em ichinaru chudandi. What are they given for you? Read the question. Em icharu chudandi babu okasari. Second question chudandi.
Write a Python code to convert the list of tuples into dictionaries.
List of here. List of tuples. Tuples ni list of tuples ante edu anukondi. Tuple తీసుకొని we need to going to be converted into the dictionary. Dictionary ki convert చేయమన్నా. Now we'll see this one. How we are going to be do the task. How we are going to be do the task. Please give me a second. Now same program I'm copying here. Now see here. For example, మనకేమి ఇచ్చారు లిస్ట్ ని టపుల్ గా కన్వర్ట్ చేయమన్నా. లిస్ట్ ని టపుల్ కన్వర్ట్ చేయమన్నా. Here in list we does not contains the key values. List లో ఏం చేస్తున్నా అంటే key values ఉండవు. Tuples కూడా key values ఉండవు. For that purpose, how we are going to be written means, for example, see here, b is equal to tuple అంటే ఏ brackets లో ఉంటుంది బాబు? Which brackets will be there? Tuple means
rounded bracket.
Rounded brackets. It will be in the form of the rounded brackets. Now see here, simply we can consider here. First I will write some names here. For example, rounded brackets. Now within the rounded brackets I will use the once again rounded brackets. Now see here, key value is 1 comma a. ఇలా రాసుకోవాలి. లిస్ట్ లో ఇచ్చాను, లిస్ట్ రాసుకుంటున్నాను. Now comma brackets open 2 comma b comma 3 comma 6. Now see here, comma 4 comma d. 4 comma d. Now see here, for your sake I am going to be printing this one. Print of the type of b. మీకోసం ప్రింట్ చేస్తున్నా. ఫస్ట్ చూడండి, ప్రింట్ చేశాను. What is the output? Please check it once. Em output ఉంది tuple. Don't forget it is in the tuple. Now consider here. Now I am going to be printing the terminal. Then print కూడా చేస్తాను ఒకసారి. I will print this one also for your sake. Print of b. Now run it. చూడండి, స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్స్ లో, దట్ మీన్స్ రౌండెడ్ బ్రాకెట్స్ లోని 1 comma a వచ్చింది, 2 comma b వచ్చింది, 3 comma c వచ్చింది. Okay, same list I am going to be considering here. Same tuple I am going to be considering here. Now I am going to be converting this tuple into dictionaries. See here, simply I can write here dictionary. I am going to be considered as a result. For example, otherwise I will write here dictionary. Dictionary is equal to dict. It is a keyword for conversion. Dict of b. The print dictionary. Run it. Now see here, 1 is a key and then a is a value, 2 is a key, b is a value, 3 is a key, c is a value, 4 is a key, d is a value. Like this we are going to be converting the list of tuples into dictionary. Dictionary leki convert chesam. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Just wait. Can you say how to convert the tuple into list? ఈ tuple ఇక్కడ ఉంది, దాని లిస్ట్ ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాం? How to convert this one? Please say how to convert this one. tuple ఉంది, లిస్ట్ కన్వర్ట్ చేయండి. tuple is there, I need to going to convert the list. ఏం లేదు బాబు, ఈజీనే. చూడండి, c is equal to, c గా తీసుకుంటున్నా, c is equal to దేంట్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయమన్నా, లిస్ట్ అని రాయండి అంతే. లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ b నాకు d ని దాన్ని సెట్ గా కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలనుకోండి, సెట్ ఆఫ్ b అంతే. ప్రింట్ హియర్, print c and then print b. You can observe the result. చూడండి, ఇది టపుల్. ఇది వచ్చేసి ఏం చేస్తుందంటే టపుల్, తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తుందంటే లిస్ట్ కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ఫర్ లిస్ట్. This is for list. Then this is for your set. Okay, don't forget here. మనం ఏదైతే కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలనుకున్నాం కీస్ వాడతాం అంతే. లిస్ట్, సెట్, and then dect. Dictionary అంటే dect. Okay, is it clear for you how to convert this one? Conversion. ఒకదాని నుంచి ఇంకొకదానికి ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాం?
Yes sir, fine sir.
Yes, sir.
Now please see once here. I will copy this one. Enter terminals. This one. Paste here. Now, can you see the third one? I think third question is visible for you. Please see the third question. Answer in just in the student. Third question, student. Write a program to store the data in a list as well as the tuple as well as the dictionary. Just wait, I will copy this. Now see here. Question ఏమి ఇచ్చినాడు చూడండి. రైట్ ఏ పైథాన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ టు స్టోర్ ది డేటా. దేంట్లో స్టోర్ చేయమన్నాడు? లిస్ట్ లో స్టోర్ కావాలా, టపుల్ లో స్టోర్ కావాలా, సెట్ లో స్టోర్ కావాలా, అండ్ దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో గోయింగ్ టు బి ప్రింట్ డిక్షనరీలో కూడా స్టోర్ కావాలా. అండ్ దెన్ వీ నీడ్ టు గోయింగ్ టు బి ప్రింట్ ఆల్ ది టర్మినల్స్. మొత్తం అన్ని టర్మినల్స్ ని ప్రింట్ చేయాలి. ఇంత ముందు ఇది ఎట్టి వాడినామో అదే మెథడ్ వాడేసి చేసుకున్నాం. సేమ్ మెథడ్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు బి యూజింగ్ హియర్ టు డూ ది ఆల్ ది టర్మినల్స్. టు డూ ది ఆల్ ది అదర్ టర్మినల్స్. ఒకే దాన్ని తీసుకొని అన్ని దాంట్లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకుంటారు. ఓకే, అన్ని దాంట్లోకి స్టోర్ చేసుకోండి. సేమ్ వాల్యూస్. ఇట్ డస్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు బి డిస్టర్బ్ ఎనీథింగ్. I need to going to print all the terminals. Now see here. ఇంకొక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకుంటాం. See here. బాబు సేమ్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ పై ఏదానికి వాడినామో అలాగే వాడుతున్నాం. But instead of that one, I will use some names here. I Now see here. A is equal to I will be consider the tuple once again. Tuple తీసుకుందాం. See here, roll number 1. It is for Nitin. See here, comma, second one.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 2 is going to be considered as a Venkatesh. Now, roll number 3. What is the roll number 3 name? RK, I think. RK, no? RK. Okay, these are the names. ఇది ఒకటి తీసుకున్నా. Now see here, please converted this one into దీన్ని లిస్ట్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయండి. హౌ టు కన్వర్ట్ దిస్ వన్? లిస్ట్ కన్వర్ట్ చేయండి.
B is equal to list of A.
B is equal to list of A. Okay, good. Now set కన్వర్ట్ చేయండి. C is equal to
Set of
A. Now D is equal to డిక్షనరీ కన్వర్ట్. డిక్షనరీ చెప్పండి. Dect of A. If you require a tuple also, we can write here tuple. Tuple already మనం తీసుకుంది ఇన్పుట్, but we can consider once again. E is equal to tuple of A. I consider all the terminals. Now write it here. The print. I will write names here. List or store చేసుకుంటాం కాబట్టి I will write here list అని చూపిస్తాను బాబు ఫర్ అవర్ ఐడియా పర్పస్. లిస్ట్ కి ఏమి ఇచ్చాం? బి. నా సేమ్ థింగ్ ప్రింట్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, వాట్ ఇస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్? సెట్ కి ఏమి ఇచ్చాం? సి. నా సారీ, సెట్ సి. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రింట్. డిక్షనరీ ప్రింట్. డిక్షనరీ ఆఫ్. డిక్షనరీకి ఏమి ఇచ్చాం? డి ఇచ్చాం. నెక్స్ట్ ద ప్రింట్ ఆఫ్ tuple. Tuple కి ఏమి ఇచ్చాం? is for E. Now run it. కరెక్ట్గా ఇచ్చాం కదా ఏ ఆఫ్ సారీ ఈస్ట్ కాదు సారీ for comma. Run it. Now see here, list, set, dictionary as well as your tuple. మొత్తం అన్ని దాంట్లోకి సేవ్ అయిందా? ఒక వేరియబుల్ తీసుకున్నాను, ఆ వేరియబుల్ లో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు డిక్లేర్ ది ఆల్ ది వాల్యూస్, దెన్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు బి సేవింగ్ ది ఆల్ ది టెర్మినల్స్ ఇన్ వన్ బై వన్, ఒక్కొక్క దాంట్లో సేవ్ చేసుకుంటూ వచ్చేసాను. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? Either may be think, either may be conversion, either may be a storage, no problem. Is it clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just give me a second. Copy this. Okay, this is for your week 3. Please see once here. మాకు ఒక్కసారి మళ్ళీ చెక్ చేసుకోండి. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Speed గా చూసుకోండి. Then we will move to the next week. Is there any doubt in the first program? Please check it once. Any doubt in the first program? Yeah, give the response. Yeah, first program lo doubt unda?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Second one? Second one?
No, sir.
Third one? Third one? Third one, Babu?
No, sir.
Shall we move to the next week?
Yes, sir.
See the fifth week. Now, please see the questions, and then you need to say the answer for this one. You need to మీరు చెప్తేనే నేను రాసాను program. మీరు చెప్పండి నేను రాసాను program. Please see here. See the question carefully. Write a Python program to perform arithmetic operators, arithmetic as well as assignment and logical and comparison operators. We need to do 4 operations in the particular the terminal. మీకు ఇచ్చిన దాంట్లో 4 ఆపరేషన్స్ చేయమన్నారు. ఏమేమి ఆపరేషన్ చూడండి. అర్థమెటిక్ అంటే ఏమేమి సింబల్స్ వస్తాయి బాబు? వాట్ ఆర్ ది సింబల్స్ విల్ బి దేర్ ఫర్ అర్థమెటిక్?
Plus, minus, multiplication, division.
Okay, plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, floor division, and then the exponential. Assignment అన్నప్పుడు Assignment operators. Assignment operators. Please think once. Assignment and ఏం చెప్పున్నాం చూడండి ఒకసారి.
Equal to, plus equal to, minus equal.
Plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, division equal to, modulus equal to, floor division equal to, like this way. Logical means logical.
And or not, sir.
And are not. Good. And the comparison means comparison. Comparison.
Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to.
Relational or comparison means less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, equal to. These are the symbols. Yeah, only one person is there in the class. Remaining people are in calm position. May know what is the reason. అవు మీరు చెప్తూ ఉంటేనే ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాస్తే ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. మీరు మాట్లాడకపోయినారు అనుకోండి ఏమి రాదు. ఓకేనా? అట్లా లాస్ట్ ఐ విల్ రైట్ దిస్ వన్. అట్ లాస్ట్ ఐ విల్ రైట్ ది ఫస్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. ప్లీజ్ సీ ది థర్డ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఫస్ట్. థర్డ్ చూడండి. థర్డ్ మీరే చెప్పండి. Write a Python program to perform the 4 basic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and then division. రాస్తారా ప్రోగ్రామ్ మీరే చెప్తారా?
Yes, sir.
Open this one. Tell me. User is not need to going to be entered the values. System కాదు, user enter చేయాలి. అవుట్పుట్ లో నుంచి వాల్యూస్ ఎంటర్ చేయాలి. టెల్ మీ ఎట్లా చేయాలి? ఫస్ట్ వన్, a is equal to
10.
వాల్యూ ఇవ్వద్దు, యూజర్ ఇవ్వాలా, అవుట్పుట్ లో ఇవ్వాలి. మనం ఎవాల్ చెప్పు. ఇన్పుట్ ఆఫ్
Enter the value of a.
Enter the a value. Enter the a value. Now next one,
B is equal to eval of input of enter the value of B.
Enter the b value. Enter the b value. అంటే ఏ వాల్యూ ఎంటర్ చేస్తాడు, b వాల్యూ కూడా ఎంటర్ చేస్తున్నాం. నా ప్లీజ్ సీ హియర్ ఏమేమి ఆపరేషన్ చేయమన్నాడు చూడు ఒకసారి. ఏం ఆపరేషన్స్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ప్లస్, మైనస్, మల్టిప్లికేషన్, డివిజన్. నా ఫస్ట్ విల్ డూ ది ప్లస్ ఆపరేషన్. ప్లస్ అంటే ఏమో బాబు? ప్లస్ మీన్స్
Addition.
అడిషన్. చెప్పు ఏకి ఎట్లా రాస్తారు చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు. కెన్ ఐ రైట్ డైరెక్ట్లీ హియర్? ప్లస్ ఆపరేషన్ కాబట్టి ప్రింట్ addition print addition is equal to comma ఏం రాయాలి బాబు? a plus b. రెండు కలిపితేనే కదా అడిషన్ అయ్యేది. a plus b. నెక్స్ట్ వన్,
print of subtraction equal to
a minus
b.
Next one,
print of multiplication equal
to
a into b,
comma a into b. No, sorry. Next one,
print of division equal
to
comma a by b.
Intena? We will run it here. Run. Now see here, it is asking the a value. I'm going to give the a value as a 25 and then b value as a 5. Now see here, addition means 25 plus 10. Sorry, 25 plus 5. It is for 30. Subtraction means 25 minus 5. It is for 20. Multiplication means 25 into 5, 125. Division means 25 divided by 5. It is for 5. Okay, is it clear this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, just give me a second. I will do the copy. Now we'll just wait a second. I will copy this to the see the next second question. Second చూడండి. Third వద్దు, first వద్దు, second చూడండి. Later we will see that one. See the second one. It is very easy. Please see, go through the second one. It is very easy program. Second one, choose your point. See the second one. Write a Python program to add the two positive integers without using the plus operators. Plus operator use చేయకుండా we need to going to be add the operator. రెండు దాన్ని తీసుకొని we need to going to be add this one. How can I add this one? R and R, we can see it one. For example, we can consult here. We have A is equal to, otherwise, can I use this one? This number. Here, I will consult directly this one only. Student, A value is printed, B value is taken. Addition. What is the symbol for R? What is the symbol for R? Bitwise operator lo R symbol etu vaadtam. Vertical dash. Now print this one, run this one. Now see here, A I am going to be given as a 10. A 10 ichanu. B is 5. Now see here, 15. A is 10, B is 5, and then addition is going to be considered as a 15. Here we are going to be use the bitwise operator. Bitwise operator anedi use chesam. Okay, don't forget here. Bitwise operator, vertical dash, R use chesam. Okay, and use chese em avutundi babu? If I use and means what will be happens? And use chese em avutundi? What will be happens when I'm going to use the and symbol? Student, ide dantlo just I will wait, or will copy this one later. Here, instead of R, if I use and symbol annappudu em vachundi chudandi. Enter the value of 10, B value as 5. It is for 0. It is for 0. Okay, don't forget here. Now we'll write the output also. Now see the first one. Now we need to going to be perform all the operations. Now we need to going to be perform all the operations. Any operations to perform cheyala. Now please see once here. Please see once here. Will be perform all the operations. Arithmetic chedamu as well as logical comparison and chedam. See here. I will be considering only the two values. Ide two values ni consider chestunna. Consider this one. A and B is completed. Now, first here, I'm going to be printed some message here. Print arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators chestunna. First operation. Arithmetic operators. First one. Arithmetic operators. Now, first one. Print. What is your first operator? Arithmetic lo first em vastundi babu?
Plus.
addition. Directly we can write here addition. Addition. Names but రాసేసుకున్నాం బాబు. Addition చేసినప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుందో చూడండి. Addition. That is for a plus b. Now, second one. Subtraction. Print. Subtraction. Subtraction. Is equal to. ఏమొస్తుంది? What is the value?
Minus b.
A minus b. Next one. దాంట్లో ఏమేమి ఆపరేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి అన్ని చెప్పండి అంతే. Print. Next operation.
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Multiplication.
A into b.
A into b. Okay. Next one.
Print of division.
Print of division. I'm going to be doing the division. What is the value? A divided by b. Next one.
Print of modulation.
Print of modulus. Print of modulus equal to modulus equal to comma a modulus of b. Now next one.
Floor division. Print of
Floor division. Floor division is equal to comma a floor. What is the symbol for floor division? 2 divided by lines. Okay, floor division. Then print of
power operator.
power operator. Power. Simply I'm writing here power equal to comma a power. Yellow vaartam babu. What is the symbol for power?
Double asterisk.
Double asterisk. 2. B ఇవ్వలేదు బాబు 2 times తీసుకుంటున్నాను నేను. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ఫర్ అర్థమెటిక్ ఆపరేటర్స్. ఇవి అర్థమెటిక్ ఆపరేటర్స్ అయిపోయాయి. నౌ వాట్ ఇస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్? ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ కంప్లీటెడ్, అర్థమెటిక్ ఇస్ కంప్లీటెడ్. నౌ వాట్ ఇస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్? అసైన్మెంట్ ఆపరేటర్స్. we need to going to perform the assignment operators here. Assignment operators అనేది చేయాలి. Now see here, I'm going to be do the assignment operators. Now see here, print half. I'll give the assignment heading assignment operators. Assignment operators. Now what is our first system? Same thing which were written here. ఇక్కడ ఏవైతే రాసామో అవే ఉన్నాయి. There is no change in this one. The things which were written here, same thing will be there. పైన ఏం రాసామో అవే ఉంటాయి కింద కూడా. Now what I am going to be doing is just I will copy this one. I will paste this one. I will paste it here. Now see here. Assignment operators. పెట్టేసి arithmetic operators తీసేస్తున్నాం. Now please see here. Now print of a plus is equal to b. Print of a plus is equal to b. I will write equal to, that's all. A multiplication is equal to b. Then a division is equal to b. A modulus is equal to b. Then a floor division is equal to b as well as a power. First I will print these two terminals. Later we will see the remaining terminals. See here, run it. It is not coming. A plus is equal to b. Syntax. Invalid syntax. Why it is showing invalid syntax? We'll need to write separately. I think we need to going to be write separately for this one. We'll see this one. We will see this one. Separately we can see here. Separately we can see here. separately, we can see it here. Student, control B. Just whatever written here, I'm going to be taking this separately. Now, here we need to write A. A, 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 A. Here we will run it once again. Run it. Now, see here it is asking for A value. I'm going to be given as a 10. And then B value will be the 2 I will be considered here, smallest value. Now run it. Now see here. First see the arithmetic operators. First student, arithmetic flow student. 10 plus 2, 12, addition student, 12. And then second one, subtraction, 10 minus 2, 8, multiplication, 10 into 2, 20, divided by 5. 5, modulus will be 0, flow division will be the 5, square will be the 100. Student, equal student, 12, 8 to 25, 0, flow division will be the 5, it will be the 100. It will be the 100. Now see for the next terminal. Next terminal. That is for, next terminal. A plus is equal to B. That means A is equal to A plus B. That is for 12. 10 ఉంది కాబట్టి 12 అయిపోయింది. Now it is 12. No problem for this one. ఇక్కడికి 12 print అయింది. Now what is the value of A now? A కి A value ఎంత ఉంది బాబు ఇప్పుడు? What is the value for A?
12, sir.
12 minus 2. 12 minus 2. That is for 10. 10 print అయింది చూడండి. 10. Now A value is 10. 10 into 2, 20. 10 into 2, 20. Now A value is 20. 20 divided by 2. That is for 10. Then modulus will be 0 anyway, no problem. Flow division. Flow division will be the 0. And then power is also going to be considered as a 0. The reason is modulus value ఏమైందంటే ఇక్కడ A 0 అయిపోయింది. For that purpose, it is going to be considered the flow division and as well as the power is equal to 0. This is for the first two operations, assignment operator as well as the arithmetic operator. Assignment operator as well as the arithmetic operator. Now 10, once again I'm going to give the 2 value. This is for the first two terminals. Then we can see this some more terminals. That is for relational one. What is the third one? Third one will be the logical operators. That is for and. What is the logical operator?
And or not.
And or not. And or not. That means and means ఏమొస్తుంది బాబు? and means tell me. and అంటే ఏమి, ఆర్ అంటే ఏమి? we is writing this some examples also. క్లాస్ లో ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కూడా చెప్పినా కదా బాబు, చెప్పండి and అంటే ఏంటి?
అంటే టూ
రెండింటిని కంబైన్ చేసింది సార్.
లేదు
and means it will be it will be satisfies the two conditions.
both the conditions.
Then it is going to be print. Then it is going to be print
True, sir.
true. Otherwise, it is going to be print false. Just give me a second. I will open for you. Bitwise operators. We will be taking the time. If the two terminals are true, then only it is going to be print true. Otherwise, it is going to be print false. That is for AND statement. Or means if any one of will be the true, then it is going to be print true. Not false means not means if if the statement is true, then it is going to be print false automatically. Okay, that is the way we need to going to be write here. Now please see here. Please see here. I will be consider the once again two user inputs. That is for A and B. That is for A and B. Now. Now see here. I will be considered here A and B. Now print A and write here. We need to going to be write here and B. Print A and B. Now see here, same thing. Print A or B. A or B. And the next one. The last one, the print
of A
print
not
of A not B. Now it will be going to be print true or false. That's all. Run it. Run it. It is not appearing. Line 5 it is not B another order. We'll see up to this one. Now run this. Now enter A value. Once again I give you as a 10 and then the next value will be the 2. First case lo chudandi, either both are same or different.
different, sir.
Different. Then what it is going to be print?
False.
False. And B?
True.
See here in the A and B. A and B is there. Then it is going to be print the smallest value. Whereas OR means it is going to be print the biggest value. It is going to be print biggest value. We can use the AND and OR in different conditions also. Different conditions to go to order. That is for verifying of your conditions. Or verify of your conditions. For example, ikkada chudandi. Ide example cheptanu. For example, print A greater than B. We can write another two conditions we can write here. For this one, it is left it here. This is for your logical operators. Next, we'll see the relational operators. Last one will be your relational operators. Comparison. That means relational operators. Now see here, same program I am considering here. See here, A is equal to 10. Directly I am considering here. A is equal to 10. B is equal to 2. Now print A greater than B. A greater than B. Which one it is going to be print? A print open bound. What is the output for this one? True or false?
True, sir.
Now A less than or B. This one?
False.
False, sir.
Print A equal to B.
False, sir.
Now the print A not equal to B. Not equal to B.
True, sir.
True or false?
True, sir.
True, sir.
A less than or equal to B. Next one, the print A greater than or equal to B. Now we will check it for this one. This is for comparison operators. Now see here, first one will be the true, second one will be the false, and then third one is also false, and then fourth one is true. Why? Because of not equal to B, and then fifth one it is also false, and then sixth one also is the true conditions. These are the four comparisons which were applied on your the terminal. మనం ఇచ్చిన దాంట్లో ఎలా అప్లై చేసుకుంటాం. Okay, now just I will copy this one in the terminal. This is for one terminal. Low division work with them. Next, we copy the some more terminals. This is for relational operator. This is for relational operator. Assignment operators. We'll write separately for each and every one. Then it is easy for you. Logical operators. The last one. Okay, one by one written here. This is for is going to be transferred as a comparison operator. Comparison operators. Comparison operator. Here for this one, I'm not writing the output. You can write the output. The reason is the output will be varies here. When I'm going to club this one, the output will be varies. For that reason, write yourself. Output choosy, you can write yourself. Okay. మీరు రాసుకుంటారు బాబు అవుట్పుట్ దీనికి. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You can write the output for this program. I will give the space for this one. When you are writing your notebook, please write the output yourself. మీకు అవుట్పుట్ ఏమొస్తుందో దాన్ని బేస్ చేసి రాసుకోండి అవుట్పుట్. If I write the output means it will be a problem. Why? Because of it will be varies depending upon your values. Values base చేసి మారుతుంది. నేను అందుకే values కరెక్ట్ ఇవ్వకుండా I'll write this one. Output ఇవ్వలేదు. You can write it here. Okay, this is for week 5 program. It is a simple one, but it will be seen for bigger one. చూసేదానికి పెద్దది కానీ చాలా ఈజీ. Now you can practice the next exercise that for week 6 is very easy. You can perform. మీరే చేసుకోండి. See here. See the first question. How it is there? First question మీరే చూడండి మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. Write a simple Python program to declare the variables in different possible ways. In different possible ways. In possible ways. ఒక వాల్యూని ఒక వేరియబుల్ తీసుకొని ఆ వేరియబుల్ కి వాల్యూస్ ని ఎలా డిక్లేర్ చేస్తారో ప్లీజ్ సే ఇట్ ఫర్ మీ. Declaration in types ఉన్నాయి బాబు. How many types of the declaration? How many types are there for declaring the values? How many types we are going to be declares the values to the variable? Variable ki any ways to declare చేస్తాము? Hello.
Class
Hello.
అయిపోతే 11:15.
Yes, sir.
How many ways are there? చెప్పండి రా, కామ్ ఉండదురా. హౌ మెనీ వేస్? ఏదో చెప్పిండాం చూడండి. సింగిల్ వేరియబుల్ డిక్లరేషన్, మల్టిపుల్ వేరియబుల్ డిక్లరేషన్ అని చెప్పిండాం చూడండి. సెకండ్ యూనిట్ లో ఫస్ట్ టాపిక్ అదే, సింగిల్ వేరియబుల్ డిక్లరేషన్, మల్టిపుల్ వేరియబుల్ డిక్లరేషన్స్ అని. ఎన్ని పాసిబుల్ వేస్ ఉన్నాయంటే 2 పాసిబుల్ వేస్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఫర్ డిక్లేరింగ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ వేరియబుల్స్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సీ హియర్ a is equal to 10, then b is equal to, I'm going to be declare the string also. Your string I'm going to be declaring here. That means site. That is for single variable declaration. Multiple declarable variable means we consider the multiple variables. I define a single value. Multiple variables ki single value different చేశాను. For example, C is equal to D is equal to E is equal to 10. Single value declare chesam. And then multiple variables with multiple values. For example, X comma Y comma Z is equal to, I'll write here 25 comma, I'll write some name. I will write some name Sanjay, and then I will consider the values once again 26, 23 here. Now see here the print of I will print all the terminals in a single line. A comma B comma C comma D comma E comma X comma Y comma Z. Run it. Sorry. Single variable, multiple variables with a single value, multiple variables with a multiple declaration. This is for first program. Mirror raskondi. Name copy chesi one. Mirror rayalsindi. Sixth exercise mottham mere cheyali. Explain chesan mirror raskondi. Now see here. They given the some expression for you. Here oka expression icharu. Z is equal to V plus W into X divided by Y. Z is equal to V plus W equation babu. ఈ equation అనేది program లో రాసుకుంటాము. Z is equal to V plus W into X divided by Y. Now write the programming for this one. దీనికి program రాయండి. Program చెప్పండి ఎలా రాయాలో. ఎన్ని వేరియబుల్స్ కావాలి మనకు? How many variables are there for this one?
4, sir.
4. Now please see once here. I will be consider the equation. I will write the equation here for our sake. Later we can delete this one. Now see here. First one. A value చూడండి. U V is equal to, for example, V is equal to 1, then W is equal to 2. Just example I'm writing here. X is equal to 3, Y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. Now I'll write here. Then apply చేస్తానండి. Just I will paste it here. I will paste it here. Z is equal to this particular equation. Now just print it. Print off Z. Run it. Now see here, the answer will be 2.25. 4 variables kavala, 4 variables declare chesam, and then I'm going to write the equation which was given for us. Then print the Z value. That's all. That is for the second one. Now see the third one. See the third one.
చెప్పండి మేడం చెప్పండి.
Write a Python program to check either the value in the list exist or not. Value దాంట్లో ఉందా లేదా అని చెప్పేసి చెక్ చేయమన్నాడు. How can I check it this one? ఏ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం? ఏ ఆపరేటర్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం బాబు? లిస్ట్ లో ఉందా లేదా? మెంబర్షిప్ ఆపరేటర్స్. ఏమేమి వస్తాయి మెంబర్షిప్ ఆపరేటర్ లో?
In, not in.
Now see here. Please see once here. I will be considered the one list. For example, I will be considered the one list. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For example, now see here, print 2 in A. 2 అనే వాల్యూ A లో ఉందా లేదా? Now print 3 not in A. Now this is for first connection అయిపోయింది చూడండి. వాడు ఇచ్చిన దాంట్లో ఫస్ట్ వన్ అయిపోయింది. And also perform identity operations. Identity operations చేయమన్నారు. What is the identity operations? Identity operations అంటే ఏం బాబు? ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి ఐడెంటిటీ ఆపరేషన్స్ లో? ఐడెంటిటీ ఆపరేషన్స్ లో ఏముంటాయి? ఇక్కడ మెంబర్షిప్ అంటే ఇన్ను నాట్ ఇన్ను. ఇక్కడికి ఐడెంటిటీ అన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఈజ్ నాట్ ఇన్, ఈజ్ నాట్. ఓకే, నౌ సీ హియర్ అంటే రెండు సేమ్ ఉంటే ట్రూ. If not same, it is going to be print false. Please see here. See here. I will be considered here. B is equal to. I'll consider here. B is equal to 10. C is equal to 10. From this one. Now print here. Print. B is C. B is C. Rendu okate aithe true. Print. B is not C. Is not C. Now run it. Now we could run it. చెప్పండి ఏమేం ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది చెప్పండి. What is the first condition?
True, sir.
Second condition?
False.
Third condition?
True.
What condition?
False.
Run it. Now see here, true, false, true, and then false. Okay, these are the three programs is there in your 6 exercise. You need to go into write mirror రాయాలి. Empty document form is 6 exercise ki mirror రాసి పెట్టాలి.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can write it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will forward the 3 weeks, but in the 6th week there is no answers for you. 6th week daniki answers undu. You can write it and then you need to submit it to me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
I'm stopping here. Yeah, please practice once. Please practice the first unit. First unit very well. Why? Because of the first unit will be plays very important role in the entire subject. ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్ మొత్తం ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ అంటే హార్ట్ అది. మీరు ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ నేర్చుకోకపోయినారు అనుకోండి, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్ టు లర్న్ ది రిమైనింగ్ యూనిట్స్. ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ నేర్చుకోకపోతే చాలా కష్టం బాబు. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఈజీ యూనిట్. దట్ మీన్స్ విల్ బి కన్సిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ డేటా టైప్స్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ది సెట్స్, టపుల్స్, లిస్ట్, డిక్షనరీ. ఈ 4 ఎక్స్టర్నల్ లో ఈ 4 దాంట్లో కన్ఫర్మ్ దే విల్ బికమ్ 1 క్వశ్చన్. ఈ 4 దాంట్లో ఖచ్చితంగా క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై లిస్ట్, ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ది మెథడ్స్ ఆఫ్ ది లిస్ట్. అదర్వైజ్ వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై సెట్, ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ది మెథడ్స్ ఆఫ్ ది సెట్. Otherwise, what is meant by tuple? Explain the methods of tuple. Last one, what is meant by dictionary? Explain the methods of dictionary. ఇలా 4 questions 4 ఇస్తారు బాబు. Any one they will become in the external answer. మిడిల్ అయితే ఖచ్చితంగా 2 ఇస్తాం. Okay, I will forward the document except 6th week. You need to practice that one. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Exactly. But take a break of 10 minutes. We are line.